Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
The team used aerial thermal imaging technology through drones to track wild jumbos inside the reserved forest. The Forest Department had launched an operation to track elephants after an attack that killed 2 people in Kadaba taluk. The Forest Department was team led by Dr Dinesh Kumar, DCF, Mangaluru Division, along with the tracking and medical team of Chief Veterinarian Dr Mujib and thermal camera drone team from CSD, NITK Surathkal, and others, who worked day and night for 3 days straight to capture the wild elephant eye. On explaining how thermal cameras helped in tracking rogue jumbos, Pruthviraj said that thermal cameras are perfect for tracking elusive animals and people, as they can detect the heat signatures they emit. They operate by detecting infrared radiation and can produce images in complete darkness, smoke, dust, and fog. They are commonly used in wildlife monitoring to track and monitor animals in the wild. Once the elephant was inside the capture structure, the capture team sedated it using a tranquilizer. The capture team then quickly secured the sedated elephant and safely transported it to load into the cage with the help of 5 of the tamed jumbos. For the past 10 years, CSD has been working with the Forest Department to encourage sustainable forest management and conservation through combined research, field studies, and data gathering. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.